Sanibonani South Africa, Sanibonani Zakhamuzi. Today we attended these two beautiful ladies with one gentleman abazocela usizo kinina nonke ma South Africans. Ngizobanikeza ithuba ukuthi bayichaze kini nosizo abadingayo. Kodwa ezibabuka bekubabili bangenele umncintiswane wonobuhle ozobuphesheya kwezilwandle, but ngenxa yokushoda kwama contributions, ama donations, sebencamela ukuthi ongenane akebeze bazokhuluma nani through social media. My little one, let me just ask you to stand up so that even they can even see your belt, that you are going to represent us. Ukhulume ne South Africa yonke. Yes, over to you.
Sanibonani, I'm Lerato Mukwi, and I have been selected to go and represent South Africa at the Miss World Diversity Pageant. So right now we are making with funding, and we are close to the deadline of our pageant. So can you please help us, anyone who at least have some money, or anyone who can fund us with anything, like, we'd really appreciate it. Thank you.
How many of you?
Three of us.
Oh, three of us. Oh, okay. So tell me, what assistant you are looking at?
We are looking with registration fees.
How much?
It's 14,000.
Okay.
And the tickets for our flights.
Okay. How much?
I'm not sure how much.
Plus or minus 15,000.
Return.
Yeah, return, yes.
Thank you so much, South Africa. There is a Thailand one, another beauty pageant here, from South Africa to Thailand. Please, can you just introduce yourself and then you tell them.
Greetings, South Africa. My name is Kanya Sibiya. I've been selected to represent South Africa at the international stage in Thailand for Miss International Heritage. So we are asking for funding for our registration, which is plus minus 32,000 for Thailand. That covers accommodation, food from the 9th of November till the 18th of November. They also include the cruise, everything that will be done in Thailand, visiting the places, national places there. So we are asking for funding. If you can assist us for a registration fee, which is plus minus 32,000, and for our flight tickets, which is plus minus 14,000.
Organizing, what can you say?
Okay, sibonge ithuba and sibonge nokuvakashela i-MK. Besinesifiso esikhulu ku-South Africa ukuthi basize ukuthi abantwana bafulfille ama-dreams wabo towards i-pageants. So sikhona manje lana sicelile ukuthi sivakashele i-MK sizocela usizo ngoba sesihambile kakhulu, siyahluleka, siyanqonqoza, basilahlela khona le, but sakhumbula ukuthi kukhona ekhaya kwa-MK. So sathi no, asize nje straight sizoyicelela thina mathupha sihamba nabo osisi laba abancane ukuthi sizocela usizo kunoma ubani, and bese nesifisa ukuthi noma like kungaseyona imali, at least like mabesithengela ama-ticket, ama-flights, ama-return, then like bakhona like ubhadala for ama-registration, then we will share ama-bank details, sisharishe ama-contacts if mhlawumbe like kukhona ozoba noncedo. And okunye futhi besinesifiso sokuthi ubaba umsholozi ngosuku lokuhamba kwabo abantwana ukuthi mhlawumbe ezosinikeza ama-blessings ngokuthi asihloniphe with ama-colors e-South Africa. Bese ngakujabulela kakhulu lokho and bekuzoba isibusiso esikhulu from abantwana ukuthi bekwazi ukuyomela iNingizimu Afrika. Ngibonge.
South Africa, be responsible. This is our kids who's looking forward to meet to fulfill their dreams. So let's let them fulfill their dreams. Sonke also my business, normal, even if you don't have money to buy a ticket, but that 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 is enough for them to say, I contributed, at least to children who are looking forward to make us proud. Thank you. Umkhonto wesizwe abahlali base South Africa, regardless the political affiliation, those who want to assist, assist our children, please come on board. But I think, where is the account? Because I don't want to use, okay, we'll write it down on the screen. Thank you so much. Mandla with you.